My understanding of how the essential parts fit together into one synergetic whole was greatly expanded by the discovery of how to fit cubes exactly inside fundamental structures. That started an if-then realization in my imagination. If those worked, why not others? I began to experiment with different geometrical systems fitting inside each other. Containment fields became an integral part of my tool set for finding modular interconnectedness. From that, I discovered a primordial set of structural numerical constants that showed how modular building patterns worked across many geometrical systems. Everything is connected to everything else. I concluded the easiest way to find synergy in any system is to look for symmetrical modular pieces. I found no cube fits exactly inside another cube because the 8 corners don't correspond with the 6 sides. The simplest way to have a cube inside is to divide the cube's edge in half to form a VE with a cube inside of it. The volume difference between the outside cubic containment field and the VE it surrounds are 8 symmetrical modular units that happen to be 1/8 volume of an octa. These 8 modular units form a 6BB octa. These modular units connect the center with the outside corners of the octa. The structural memory embedded in these define a communication network that connects the center with the outside limits of the octa. Once again, the 3 landmarks of relative size field, equator, and axis of spin orient the octa in the same position as all the others, with the 50 directions of the sphere family constructing a communication network among the essential parts. Here, the 12 white directions pass through the midpoints of the edge to define a half-sized triangle inside the larger. There seems to exist an organizing force in fundamental structure, half force. The outside triangle is divided in half, and then that half-sized triangle is divided in half again. The 24 yellow directions define their corners. The 8 blue directions pass through the center of the 8 triangular faces, and the 6 green directions define the outside corners. Everything is connected to everything else. Essential parts of fundamental structure remember their interconnectedness with each other. The 4 1/8 octa modules construct the interior structure of the octa. One module is constructed with the quantum volumes, the A and B mods. Another 4 of these modules can be placed on the face of a tetra to make a cube. The tetra, octa, cube, and VE have a deep connection with each other. All space filling begins with these systems. The next video will take a deep dive into these connections. Every essential part knows its exact relationship with every other part. Change one and they all change in unison to maintain a constant relationship.